could you please light the campfire for me?
Sure, I'll run to light the campfire for you now to show the SMP Bukit Asam logo.
Well. So, the opening video that you just watched is related to the material that we will discuss today, which is about the expression of giving and fulfilling requests. I'm Miss Azlina Aisha, your Cambridge teacher, and don't forget to pay attention and watch this video carefully until the end, because it's really important for our lesson today.
Alright, now look at this situation please. The situation is, if you were in a library and wanted to borrow a pencil from someone you didn't know, how would you ask and why?
What's your answer? Please comment down below. I have a question. How do the uses of can, could, and would differ in making requests, and when do you use each of them? Oke, langsung saja kita ke pembahasannya ya. So here is the definition of request. Jadi definisi request dalam bahasa Indonesia itu ialah permintaan. Okay, so when we ask something from someone, or when we ask someone to do something for us. Jadi ketika kita meminta seseorang untuk melakukan hal tersebut untuk kita, atau mungkin ketika kita minta sesuatu dari seseorang ya. Remember, requests should be polite, especially to people we don't really know. Even though when we know that people, we have to be polite, we have to be sopan ketika meminta request terhadap orang tersebut. So actually there are some way to give a request. Ada beberapa cara untuk membuat permintaan ya. The first one is informal. Jadi kalau informal ini bisa menggunakan can. Can you? Can I? For example, can you help me? Can I use your phone? After that, formal request. Jadi lebih formal, lebih sopan lagi. Bisa menggunakan could. Could you please? Or could I? Bisakah? Itu lebih sopan lagi. Terus ada asking for willingness. Jadi meminta kesediaan gitu ya. Kayak do you mind if I? Would you mind if you? May I? Kayak do you mind itu lebih ke apakah kamu keberatan jika saya? Seperti itu. Okay, so please look at this sentence structure. Bisa menggunakan can itu lebih informal. Can you help me with this homework? And then could itu lebih sopan. Dan the last one would itu yang paling sopan ya, yang sangat sopan. This is how to fulfill accepting and declining a request ya. Jadi ada berbagai macam ekspresi untuk menerima permintaan tersebut dan ada beberapa macam ekspresi untuk menolak permintaan tersebut. Yang pastinya dengan kata-kata yang sopan, kata-kata yang sampai tidak menyakiti hati orang yang meminta request tersebut. Okay, so if you make a request, don't forget these three things, these three important words. Please, sorry, and thanks or thank you. I also want to remind you that the tone of your voice and also your body language is also important when you are making requests. So here's the difference between command and request. Can you spot the difference? Now please look at the read sentences. Read this book please. Menggunakan tanda seru ya, dimana itu kalimat suruhan atau kalimat memerintah seperti itu. Yang artinya itu command, dia langsung memerintah, bukan request atau permintaan, melainkan memerintah. Meanwhile, sedangkan kalau request, dia menanyakan terlebih dahulu kesediaan orang yang dimintain permintaan tersebut. Kayak contohnya, can I borrow your English book? Nah, jawabannya bisa yes or no. Okay, so here are the examples of sentences of making requests ya. When you want to ask someone to do something for you, you can use these examples to ask something from someone. Okay, so here is the examples of making requests in a conversation.
Mom,
Can you open the door, please?
Alright, wait a second.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh my goodness, what happened?
I didn't bring a raincoat, so I got rained. Now I'm freezing.
Alright, here's the hot tea for you to make you feel warm for a minute.
Here is another example of making requests.
Oh my god, it's so hot here.
Oh, really? But for me, it's not hot here in this class.
But it's hot for me. Could you turn on the AC?
Of course, I will turn it on. What about now?
Feel better than before.
That's good.
Okay, now here are some examples of asking if you can do something. Jadi kita meminta untuk melakukan sesuatu. For example, can I use your computer please? Jadi kita yang meminta untuk menggunakan komputer itu. Here is the example of the conversation between two people. You can practice it with your friend. Please fill the blank space. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for giving your best attention. Bye everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.